Slice smarter, not harder. Elevate your kitchen game with our 4-in-1 handheld electric vegetable cutter set. Cutting-edge convenience at your fingertips. This electric vegetable slicer set adopts a filling hole setting, which is capable of slicing, cooking, peeling, and scrubbing. It eliminates the tedious steps of opening and screwing the cap. Long ingredients such as peppers, cowpea, and yams can be inserted directly, convenient, and fast. Unleash culinary freedom. Cut the cord and slice with flair. Our rechargeable electric vegetable cutter gives you the power to prep anywhere, anytime. This handler electric vegetable cutter uses ABS, food-grade PC materials, and stainless steel blades. Durable, shot-cut slicing. No need for a container to cook in seconds. The garlic slices and chili rings are even and beautiful, comfortable grip, breaking the dangling click mode of the traditional electric garlic paste. The ergonomic design does not tire your hands the minutes you save, the masterpieces you create. Turn meal prep into a breeze with our multi-function food mini slicer. Minutes matter, don't miss out. The electric vegetable cutter has more convenient to cut and side dishes, fresh ingredient.